Who fancies making a prickly plant? Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So I don't know if you've ever wondered how to make a cactus out of polymer clay. Well, I did, and I thought I would have a look into it, and then I thought, well, I'm going to try it for my channel. So that's exactly what I did. I'm going to make this short and sweet because it's absolutely boiling in here. In the UK at the minute, we are currently going through a bit of a heat wave and it's boiling. So without further ado, here we go.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? Took a bite, and now I'm filled up. I don't know where you are tonight. 'Cause you're right, I've been starving and now I don't know what to do tonight. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to you got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it, spending every minute together? I found it quite odd, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire, fire, fire. You fuel my fire, fire, like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act, it's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod. That we are two peas in a pod. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes, but I know we're safe. Two peas in a pod, a roller coaster to walk out the door. We could be in control, but we just keep on putting on a show. And baby, I don't mind it. Let them talk, they don't get it. That we are two peas in a pod.
Thanks for watching the tutorial. So tell me in the comments what you thought of that. I did have a lot of fun, but it took me a couple of attempts. So I made one to start off with, and it was really soft clay, and it just wasn't going right. So I thought I'd give it another go with some harder clay, and it worked out fine, which does mean I do have 3. But before I show you, I would just like to ask you to subscribe. Now, I don't very often do this on my channel. I don't know, I feel a bit awkward about it. But if you have got this far in my video, I would really appreciate it because it supports me and my channel. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what these look like. So let's try this one first. So this is the first one that I made, and this is the one with the soft clay, and I don't know, once I baked it, I found it was absolutely okay, but I don't know what it was, I just didn't like it. So I'm going to show you up close. and I'm not really sure what it was I didn't like about it. I think it was just because it was really difficult because the clay was soft, but I'm just going to turn it around so you can get a good look at it all the way round. Now my clay pots, I don't know why, but I like to make them a bit broken and a bit funny looking, so I put sort of the, I want to call it dirt, but obviously they're stones, and they come out of the little cuts here and then through there, and I don't know, they just give it a bit of something different, and I really like this one in the end. So it kind of grew on me, quite literally. So now we have these other ones. This is the one I created with the more harder clay, and I quite like this one, I have to say. So I put some glitter on it. Of course, it's not going to be something I've made without glitter on it, and I don't know, it just catches the light, and I just think it's really, really nice. So I did the same sort of thing with this one though. I made the pot slightly differently, so I made cutouts here, and then the little sort of stones at the bottom here. So I'm just going to go all the way around so you can see it, little cut there. And the reason why I do this is just it gives it a bit of realism. I mean, you can see it's pretty much a cactus, that it's sort of almost cartoon like, but it just sort of, you know, gives it a bit of interest. So I'm going to go close up for you. Hopefully it'll still be in focus for you. And as I said, yeah, I put mica powder and some glitter on it, and I didn't hold myself back as much as I have been doing lately, because I just want to have fun with this one. So yeah, at the bottom here, I don't know if you can see it very well, it's got a little bit of pink on it as well. I don't know why, I just thought it'd look quite cool. And I darkened it up all around the sort of the root area as well. So that's the second one. I'm going to show you the third one now. So I've not done this one before either, but I did have a practice on the first two. So this one came out of nowhere. So here is the next one. And it's I don't know what type of cactus this is, I've got no idea. And I wasn't sure about it to start off with, and I thought, oh, is this right? I weren't sure. And yeah, it turned out okay. So as you saw from the tutorial, I put a cocktail stick in the middle, and then built them up around the outside so it had some support. And then I put the stones in the pot there, and also has to come out of the side here as if it's sort of overflowing, which I absolutely love, because when you put it on something, it does look really realistic, and it's quite cool like that. So also around the bottom here, I darkened it up as well, again for a bit of realism, so it looks like a, you know, a realistic plant, I guess. But obviously with the style of it, it's still quite cartoon-like. Now with this one, I did put a little flower bud there, but the majority of this is sort of colouring. So here and here I've got pink glitter, and it sort of gives the impression that it is going to grow, but hasn't quite yet. So let's see if I can hold all these together. So this is how you create a cactus, or 2 or 3, from Polymer Clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So if you've got this far, I don't ask very often, but please would you subscribe? So the reason why I'm asking, I shouldn't really have to give a reason, should I? Because that's kind of obvious. It's kind of a load of rubbish. And I've had to shut my window because my neighbour spontaneously springs out into song, and it's really not in tune at all. So I'm boiling. So this is how you create cactuses, cacti, cactuses, I don't know. So this is how you create cactus. So this is how you create So this is how you create So this is how you create, oh my god, heat wave.